Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to be checking out this dash cam called T1. As you can see, it's got a rotating camera on the left there. It can swivel to the front and to the back. It's got a 1080p HD high definition, 170-degree angle. It's got a loop recording, and of course, it's got an emergency lock. So the main feature of this camera, this dash cam, is that camera right there. This thing actually swivels from front to back, as you can see from there. And also it's got a motion sensor and a G-Shock feature, which if your car is fully parked and if somebody hits you in the front, it will automatically turn on and starts recording, which is awesome. I did try tapping the car with my bare hand. The G-Shock won't pick it up, so you need a vehicle to actually get it started and recording. I did try the motion sensor on this. To be honest guys, it's not really effective. I did try to jump, shake my hand, walk back and forth. It did turn on once, then after that it didn't pick up my motion anymore. So don't expect anything about the motion sensor, just forget about that. But the G-Shock and the rotation of the camera is the main feature of this dash cam. So I'll show you guys a quick demonstration here. So I'm gonna try to tap the windshield and look at the dash cam. Whoops, I didn't pick that up. Hold on. I don't know if you guys could see it from here. Hold on guys, there you go. It's kind of hard to view it from my smartphone device here, but anyways, it did turn on when I tapped the windshield, and it will start recording for roughly around 30 seconds and it will stop. Okay, it should stop anytime soon. There you go, it stops. So again, let me move back all the way here so you guys could see me. I'm tapping the windshield and there you go, it turned on. So when you start your engine, the dash cam will just automatically starts recording. When the SD card is full, it will just loop the video. It will record over the oldest video that you recorded. And also when you turn off the engine, it will automatically turn off the dash cam itself. All right, here we go guys. So it's quite hard to view it on my smartphone device. From my point of view here on the driver's side, I could see the small monitor on the dashboard. It is nice and clear, and of course you could swivel that camera. Okay, just give me some time here. I will swivel it so that it's aiming to the side. As you can see right there, the camera's aiming to the side, and now it will be aiming towards me here. Okay, you could swivel it all the way there to that viewing angle, and if you just want to aim it to yourself, you could do so just like that. Okay. All right. So now let's just swivel it backwards where it's supposed to be. So it takes larger SD card. Some dash cam usually only has a particular size that it could handle, or its compatibility, but this one can actually take a higher SD card. I'm using a 128 gigabyte of micro SD card, and it's working perfectly fine. So like again, the only negative thing about this dash cam is that motion sensor. It doesn't work, guys, so don't count on it, don't rely on it. Like again, it does, you really have to move a lot to pick you up, but if you're just walking casually across in front of the car, it's not gonna pick up whatsoever, guys, so don't rely on it too much. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. That is my review on the T1 dash cam. If you guys are interested, like again, I will put the link down on the description below and also down on the comment section area. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.